A few signs that it's time to level up and start creating an online course. Hi, I'm Sas from Uteach, and today we'll be talking about a few common signs that many entrepreneurs and actually content creators experience when they realize that it's time to level up and create an online course. If you're interested in e-learning, digital entrepreneurship, and course creation and how to make money with course creation, then please do consider subscribing as we upload quite frequently on this channel. Hit the notification bell as well because you will be notified of all upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. It's a good topic. How exactly do you know that it's time to take it up a notch as an online personality and create a course that's going to just sell out and make you a lot of money? How do you know that it's actually time to teach your skills and your expertise to an already existing audience or maybe no audience at all? One of the first signs, which is very common, is actually when you realize yourself that you can wear multiple hats and simultaneously with all the jobs that you are doing, because as we all know, there is human design and many people are just designed a specific way to work without actually getting tired, and I do envy you. So you know that you can wear different hats and you think to yourself, you know what? I actually have the energy, the time, the patience, and the discipline to create an online course and of course, leverage extra income. If you consider yourself very motivated and multidisciplined, as many people like to say, and yearn to succeed, then we recommend you definitely take this as a huge sign that it's time to level up. Cross that Rubicon. Maybe you're a blogger, maybe you're a TikToker, and you do have a lot of expertise and skills in a specific area, and create an online course. Teach people what you know and what you've experienced and transformed for yourself. The second sign that many people and myself actually experience is when you feel in your soul, in your spirit, I'm gonna get a little bit woo-woo here, is that you have a very deep passion for what it is that you do, and you really want to share your vision and your message with the rest of the world. For instance, me, I've always had a passion for content creation, and people would just always ask me, how do you do it? Where do you get the motivation from? How are you able to successfully upload more than 100 videos on your YouTube channel and just never be tired of doing it? So I thought, why don't I compile all the information and expertise and experience I've had throughout the years and create a course? Not only will I be sharing my secrets and teaching people what I love to do, but of course, I'll be making money by doing so. And who doesn't want to create extra money on the side, right? A third sign, which is also a part of my own experience, is when your tribe, aka your audience, followers, subscribers, email subscribers, whatever you want to call them. I like to call them my tribe because they are kind of like my family. Is when your tribe starts asking you constantly over and over again to actually create a course or some kind of product where they can learn from you because they trust you, they consider you an authority figure. So take this as a huge sign when your followers constantly ask you to create a product for them so that they can learn specifically from you. Another sign, which is actually another one of my favorites, is when you no longer actually have the time, energy, or patience to coach people one-on-one or offer mentoring sessions. You can be in a specific life phase, or you could have just, hit a plateau, hit the ceiling, as we like to say, and you realize that it's time to just compile all that information and sell it through an online course. And when you do create your first online course and you see how much momentum it builds, then you can create another course and another product. And be sure, of course, to create high ticket and low ticket offers so that you can sell to different people, among different societal standards and people who have different financial needs. But of course, we will talk about that in a future video, so be sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment down below if you do have questions on how many kinds of products or online courses you should actually create. And the fifth and final sign, at least for today's video, is actually very self-explanatory, is when you just want to make extra money. There, we said it. But we stand by that. We always encourage everybody, of course, our customers, to create online courses to make extra money. Think of it this way. Let's say you are teaching people in a studio or in your house, okay? And you have maybe 10 kids who you're teaching a language to. Wouldn't it be awesome if you actually just created a course and you had 10 or even 20 or 50 or 100 or 500 people pay you for that course, and you wouldn't have to actually spend that much time or resources, and you could just, sell your course on autopilot and be vacationing in the Maldives or in Bali somewhere. I remember when I was a kid, my mom would teach a foreign language to many children who lived in the community, and she was always just so tired. And back in the day, I'm a 90s kid, we didn't have the same privileges as people do today, so that's something that I personally very appreciate, and I'm sure you do too. So I would like to take that as a humongous sign that it is time to create an online course when you just no longer want to mentor someone or do one-on-one coaching with them or teach a foreign language. We are going to talk more about this specific topic in an upcoming podcast video. And of course, subscribe to our channel because we will be notifying all our subscribers and our customers. We are going to launch a podcast soon, and I think you will very much enjoy it because we're going to dive deeper into the philosophy and of course the psychology of online course creation. So be sure to subscribe so you can be notified. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us the like button, and of course share our video. You would be helping us out so much. And of course, if you are interested in creating a course, please note that we offer a 14-day free trial over on our website, www.uteach.io, which of course you can find in the description box down below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Sas from Uteach, and we'll see you next time.